So, I said I was going to print more items and show them off to you. Well, I printed off something, but I'm not sure if you'd have a use for it, but let's talk about it anyways. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the Canadian Maker Project. My name is Ron. I want to thank you for coming in and watching this episode. So, what am I holding in my hand? Well, I was looking around for an idea because I've got something here that I'm going to be sending two of these to another show because I did something for them way back when. And what these are what they call plate hangers. You probably want a plate hanger. What the heck is that? Well, the plate hanger idea was to open up and you can put your plate in there for displaying. So say if you had like a plate, like a Walt Disney plate, which I actually have a few of them, but they're collector items, so, numbered the whole 9 yards. But anyways, getting off topic. You would put the plate in here. The plate would sit like this for display purposes. And it's a nice little print. Simple, easy to make. Why would you still want to make this print? Well, you might have something like a plate or a plaque, or even say you want to display something like this. As I pull it down, I made this a long time ago. Let's say you had no way of hanging it. Well, you could put it on a plate hanger. There you go. So there's many different reasons to print this. This print was made out of PLA, and I tested it with PLA, and I didn't really like it. The PLA felt kind of, I had an issue trying to get the hinges to lock and everything else. So I said, fine, I go with PETG. And honestly, PETG is a better use for this one. I found it printed beautifully. This was printed with Midnight Black PETG from the guys over at E3D Fuel. So, this black is nice. I like the shape of it. 10% infill, took about an hour and a half to print. But I must admit, I like the look of it. I like how that you can actually fold it. I've seen a couple other ones where it doesn't allow you to fold. It prints this all as one piece, and you can't do that. You can't close it up and, put it away or whatever. This print is something that I don't think everybody's going to have a need for, but if you feel like you want to do like a sign or something like that, you might want to look at this print. This is the medium size. They also have a large and they have a small print. So I do recommend printing it with PETG. It stood up a lot better and printed out beautifully, and it only took a few minutes. This was printed on the CR-10. I could have printed it on the Ender, but right now the Ender is not set up for doing this type of print because I needed the super hot temperatures to print this PETG. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this. The links are down in the description, so don't be afraid to go down there, look at the Thingiverse link, and pick it up yourself. Also, if you like what I'm doing here, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, let others know that you think are getting into 3D printing, that these are little things that you may not think about printing, that you might go, hey, yeah, I could use that print. So, and also if you like the content, hit that like button. It does help the channel grow. Once again, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, have fun printing.